Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for the horse coloring book niche. Now this is part 2. I've done part 1 where I've dived into 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for the horse coloring book niche. You can view part 1 linked in the description box below. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Nora. I do daily videos talking about profitable Amazon KDP keywords as well as strategies and tips and tricks that I've tried myself with my own KDP business, as well as what has been proven to work. So if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to view all our new daily videos. Now at the end of this series, I will upload and compile all of the videos, and I will add them to the full series for you to watch. But for now, let's talk about 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for the horse coloring book niche, and there will be a 30-day free trial linked in the description box below for Creative Fabrica, which I personally use for KDP interiors, cover ideas, as well as KDP keywords. Now let's get started with our first one, and this is part 2. Our first keyword is horse coloring book age 5, and this is a wonderful keyword right over here. Self-publishing Titans has given this a keyword niche score of 51, and Amazon Scout Pro has given this a keyword niche score of number 6, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. Now 51 by Titans and number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro beautifully complement each other, and they also complement this juicy data right over here. And this is a keyword that you can use for either the subtitle or the 7 keyword slots for anything relating to horse coloring book. And the total results here sit below 5,000, and they're sitting at 3,515. And the average bestseller rank is within that 400,000 range, and it is averaging 344,648. Let's come to the average review, sitting at a beautiful 2,519. Average price is $1.56. Scrolling down, we have a couple of really good books that are selling quite well, starting with the first one, titled Coloring Book, Horses and Ponies for Kids ages 4 to 8, and it is sitting at a bestseller rank below 100,000 of 25,002, and it is currently listed under 3 categories, starting with children's farm life books, children's coloring books, and children's animal books. As you can tell here, beautiful, minimal, large and bold cover, as you can tell. And scrolling down, we've got a couple of really good books that are selling quite well. Our second book with a bestseller rank under 100,000 is sitting with a BSR of 3,640, and it is titled Unicorn Coloring Book. Scrolling down, we've got our third book, 32,000. Our fourth book sitting at 9,695. There are no current ads running, and this is selling approximately 390 copies per month, generating around $3,135 on a monthly basis, published in 2025. Next up, we've got 10,000. We have 29,000. We've got 2,939 for this one, titled Unicorn, Mermaid, and Princess. And this book specifically is utilizing our keyword horse coloring book age 5 in the 7 keyword slots. It's not showing for the title, and it is not showing for the subtitle. It is therefore used in the 7 keyword slots, and it is ranking beautifully, selling around 960 copies and generating around $2,538 on a monthly basis. We've got 64,000 right over here. The ones that I'm saying out loud are all best sellers under 100,000, and they are all not having current ads running. This one's 12,000. This one's 37,000. As you can tell, the covers all have one main thing: they're all vibrant, they're all as colorful, they're all eye-catching, a lot of rainbow, a lot of vibrant colors, bright colors used as well in the most successful books. So that again, I would personally use this keyword for the 7 keyword slots. Let's head to the second keyword for the day, and it is adult coloring book for women, horses, and this is an example of a keyword that you can use for either the subtitle or the 7 keyword slots, and it has a keyword niche score of 56 by Titans, and Amazon Scout Pro has given this a number 6, categorizing this as a nice niche. Let's come to the total results. They are within that 1,000 range, sitting at 1,629. Average bestseller rank is 487,070. Average reviews are 3,309. And average price is $1.86. Scrolling down, we've got a couple of really good books that are selling quite well. As you can see, wonderful covers, 33,000, 40,000. We have 82,000, 4,400. We've got 15,000, 9,000 and 600 for that one. So we have more than 4 or 5. We haven't even reached halfway through the page with bestseller ranks under 100,000 on the first page, so we're all quite happy with that. Now you can go ahead and search up Creative Fabrica for wonderful interiors to do with horse coloring books that are either for children or either for adults, and you can also access them for free if you take advantage of the free trial linked in the description box below, which gives you a total of 10 free downloads. And it also renews for about $4 per month, billed yearly, but you can always cancel before the first month is up. So horses coloring book, let's have a look at what kind of interiors are available right over here. Scrolling down, we've got a total of 201 results, starting with this beautiful one right here, which is more of a sketch style, and it has 50 horses coloring pages. We've got this one here, which is quite minimalistic for children. Now this would be more suitable for the children that are around age of 5 years old. We've got more cute ones, the kawaii kind of anime ones as well. We have much more sophisticated mandala type with quotes that are either funny, trendy, sassy as well. You can go ahead and be able to utilize it, especially when it comes to adults as well, which is our keyword. It was our second keyword was an adult coloring book for women horses. You can be able to utilize that as well. Now let's have a look at our third keyword for the day, and our third keyword is more to be used for the 7 keyword slots. Now there is potential, but why do I say 7 keyword slots? It's because of the total results being slightly on the higher side. It does have potential. We have the average bestseller rank within the acceptable range, which is under 400,000, and it's sitting within that 100,000s. And also we have a keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro, so you might as well want to use this for the 7 keyword slots, and it is horse coloring book kids. And scrolling down, we see a couple of books that are selling quite well that are all utilizing this keyword for only one purpose, which is within the 7 keyword slots as well. Now while I'm at it, before we end today's video, I'd just like to have a look and show you some examples of a good selling book that it has no ads. This one, for example, has a bestseller rank of 2,939, selling around 960 copies per month. And I want to have a look at stuff like the sizing, maybe a couple of other things like the reviews, for example. And this one's 8.5 times 11 inches, so it is a large print, and it has 104 pages. Another thing you want to take note of is the categories that are this is A+ content. I love this. It utilizes mockups, it utilizes images, and there's a lot of really good info right over here as well, and is currently ranking in children's horse books under number 2 and number 70 in children's coloring books. And there's also videos as well that are published by readers who are really happy with that. Only 4% has given it a 3-star, 12% have given it a 4-star, but a massive 84% all have given it a 5-star out of 448 global ratings, which is a really good sign as well. Now with that being said, let's end today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.